Hey, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you visited our channel, we buy, sell, and flip. Today's auction items were bought online, and a lot of these items were sight unseen because I purchased these items in a lot, which typically from the online auctions, they sell things individually, and I personally like the lot items, but you can get a lot more than what you bargained for. So let's dive into this video. The first item I want to show you actually was sold individually, but we thought it was really interesting. They didn't give dimensions on it, and I feel like we really scored on this item because it's super cool. This is handmade, and that's how they had it labeled on the listing, but it's actually relatively big. It's a clock, and the back of it, it does say like who did make this, and it's just made so well. If you can see that little porthole, it is awesome, and it has a key underneath that piece of tape. Paid $35 for that. I just think that's such a steal. We looked online, and some of these sell for $400 to $500 on eBay. The next thing I want to show you is this really cool saw that my husband saw. The reason we bid on it is because this comes in a leather case. I've never seen this before, but it's got the saw in it, and then it also has a couple shears. It even has the name on it. It says LETT Manufacturing, and I can't read the last part, but I just thought that was really cool. We'll probably end up selling this on eBay or Marketplace. I'm just gonna walk around and look through these boxes a bit. This was a basement lot, and you got everything in the lot, and they didn't show inside the boxes, so I was like, well, you never know what you can find when you're buying boxes that, you know, are unseen. That's kind of cool. Let's see, a vase. The way these auctions work, just like any auction, you're bidding against other people, and obviously the highest bidder wins. Pickup is typically the following day, and then they'll give you a pickup time and place. They do not give you the location, they'll just give you the location of the town, and then from there, after the auction is over, then they'll give you the actual address. That's pretty cool. Okay, I thought this would be a good item to sell online. These are supposed to be crystal candlesticks. I'm not seeing any markings on it that say Waterford. I was thinking these were Waterford, but I only paid $9 for this lot. It's funny because, oh wait, what does it say on it? This is Shannon Crystal. So I'm not familiar with this. Anyway, there's 3 of those. Smoothie Pro 600. Let's see if it's in there. Oh yes, looks brand new. Now these people, I've noticed they put everything back in the boxes. So from what I'm seeing, it does look new. Okay, so everything in this tote, besides the smoothie maker, was in the kitchen pantry. So all these Britas, this is a espresso machine. The owner was like, do you want this? I was like, okay, I guess. You know, I don't really drink that, but I'm sure we could cook with it. I know you end up with a lot, but you just have to pick what you want and don't eat the rest and be done with it. All right, these also were items from the kitchen pantry. It looks like there's a Swiffer in there, toaster, a Coleman cooler. I seem to always get these coolers. You say hi?
Hi.
Olivia. Alright, what do we have in here, Liv? A card game, a bunch of cassettes. Looks like vintage. Some Christmas items. Puzzles.
Look at it.
Okay, don't drop that. Look, 1,000 pieces.
And a vase.
Little vase. Okay, cute. Do you want that?
Maybe.
There's another little vase. Let's see. FTD. Made in Thailand. Extinguisher. That's always nice to have. Coca-Cola glass. Nothing too crazy. Exciting. Here, take that, babe.
Where do you want me to put it? Oh, this is. Where do you want me to put it?
A decorative tie bag. This was in the basement lot as well. I would have videoed there, but we only had 10 minutes to get our stuff loaded up. It was pretty crunch time.
Does look
Okay.
like thinner. Pretty cool.
Let's see.
Could look good in the
Brand new.
backyard.
I was actually wanting this from the kitchen lot. This convection toaster oven actually sells online for over $100, and
That's really cool.
luckily in the basement I found the box and it had other additional parts.
What are these? Oh, those.
Careful, babe.
I'm careful.
This is cool.
Cute.
What does it say? Made in Japan. Handmade.
This is pretty.
Ooh. This is cool.
This is pretty.
This is actually pretty cool. Yeah, I see it.
I've been keeping my eye on these candles. I really like them.
You do?
I want to put some in my room.
Well, you know you can't burn that in your bedroom.
Oh no. What's this?
So nothing too crazy, just more Christmas decorations. That's pretty.
Oh yeah.
This wood towel holder is actually pretty. Uh-oh, Liz, looks like it might rain. Okay, we've got some stockings. Ooh, Santa's pretty. It's very pretty. The LR on the bottom. Snow glow. It's very pretty. See, you never think about Christmas stuff until Christmas comes around.
So pretty.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, I love them.
Cool tree night light. Okay. So it looks like these are all candles. That's really pretty though. Look how pretty that is. All right, this is something that we did purchase individually. This is a German Bible, and the date is 1777. This has been rebound. As you can see, it's in impeccable condition as far as the binding, but 1777. There you go. It's very full. So I'm not gonna leaf through it too much. As you can see, there's proof. I don't know why we paid $30-some for everything, but this was also in the $35 range. So I'm interested to find more out about this Bible. This was in the basement lot, and you could barely see it, but it's like a radio. There you go.
Oh wow.
Delphi. I've never heard of that. This is Sky-Fi audio system by Delphi. I completely forgot I had stuff in my backseat, and this basically is the reason why I purchased the basement lot. So this Keurig is the only thing that was not from the basement. This was actually in the kitchen lot. It's an older one, but I could still probably get like 25 bucks out of it. This pumpkin was in the basement lot. This is the reason I actually purchased the basement lot. They sell for about $115, and like I said, I only paid like $38 for the basement lot, $35, $38, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what this looks like. All right, so here it is with the lid open. Looks like they have rewrapped it, so it's been used. It's not a big deal. They've taken really good care of their stuff. They put it back in the original packaging, most of it. There's the plug-in. And it looks like everything is there. And just one last thing, we've got this phone that is in there. It has both phones. Looks to be in good condition. Well, that pretty much sums up today's auction. Thanks so much for joining us. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Thanks so much.